The question says the electronic configuration of four elements L, P, Q and R are given in brackets. Okay, L, P, Q and R. The formula of ionic compounds that can be found between these elements are. Okay, so we have to find out the formula of these compounds. So you can see electronic configuration is given here. From here we can get the valence electron. From the valence electrons we can decide their charge, whether they have a positive charge and negative charge. And once we know the charge, we can balance their charge and we can form the compound. Okay, pay attention carefully. In case of L, you can see in the outermost how many electrons are there? This is the second cell. In the second cell, how many electrons? 4 plus 2, 6 electrons are there. It has tendency to gain 2 electrons so that it can complete its octet. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So L has tendency to gain 2 electrons. It means that L will carry minus 2 charge. Very good. From the valence electron we are able to decide the charge. In case of P, in the outermost you can see it has only 1 electron. Keep in mind, metals, especially elements having 1 valence electrons here, 2 valence electrons here, 3 valence electrons, they always have tendency to lose the electron. Okay, only 1 electron means this element, this P is belonging to first group elements. Okay, this P is belonging to first group elements. They have tendency to lose how many electrons? 1 electrons. And P has only 1 valence electron, then this P will carry plus 1 charge because it has tendency to lose the electron. Okay, how many? 1 electrons. Now we have Q. In this case, outermost 3s2 3p5. Okay, 3s2 3p5. How many total number of valence electrons? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 valence electrons. It means it is halogen. 7 valence electrons are there. It has tendency to gain 1 electron, so that 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Its octet will be complete. Okay, then Q will carry minus 1 charge. Tendency to gain how many electrons? 1 electron. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 1 electrons. In case of R, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. You can see in the outermost it has how many valence electrons? 2 valence electrons. It is belonging to second group elements. Second group elements have tendency to lose 2 electrons. Then R will carry plus 2 charge. Plus 2 charge. Now we know the charge of this element. Easily we can find out the formula. We have LP. We can combine L and P. Pay attention very carefully. If I take L and P, write the charge. L is minus 2 and P is what? Plus 1. To balance the charge, we can crisscross this number. 1 will come this side, 2 will go other side. So we got LP2 is there. Okay, LP2. This is one compound. Okay. Next we have RL. So we have L is minus 2. And we have R is what? Plus 2 is there. The charge is balanced. In general, we always write positive ion first, followed by negative ion. So I do one thing, I follow that order. So I do one thing, I write L minus 2 is there. The charge is balanced. Charge is balanced. If you mention 2 will come this side, 2 will also come this side, then we use simplest ratio. From here we can get RL. Charge is balanced. RL. Next we have P and Q. The charge of P is plus 1 and Q charge is what? Minus 1. Their charge is also balanced. From here we can get PQ. Next we have R and Q. Okay, next we have R and Q. R charge is what? Plus 2 and Q charge is what? Minus 1 is there. Now we can crisscross this number. 1 will go will come on left side and 2 will go on the right side. So 1 will come here, 2 will go this side. From here we get R and Q2 is there. Okay. So LP2, RL, PQ, RQ2. Any such option RQ2. Okay. In the only RQ2. You can see C option is there. P2L, P2L, same thing only. RL, PQ, RQ2. Option C is correct. Very interesting question.